Hey students, a very good morning to all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and you all are doing good at your places and you don't go outside. Yeah, I'm hoping that you are not going outside because it is very much important that you all have to stay at your home, eat healthy, and wash your hands properly. Okay, while taking every meal before that. Okay, so I'm your teacher. I'm Ananya Modgil, class developer of Emerging 2. Today is a new day. Let's start our new session. Fine, we start our session with the very first subject, which is English. So, this is your child centric writing skills perfection toolkit, Joyful D. So, you all have to bring out your writing skills book, which is there on screen. Let's start our writing session first, and then we will come ahead with the next subject, which is creative. Okay, so go hurry up and bring out your writing skills book and a sharp pencil and eraser for writing. I'm waiting. Hurry up. Okay, students, I hope so that you all have bring out your writing skills book. So you have to come on page number 11 from your book. As you know that I'll introduce to you the O sound words, right? In our previous session, we did the reading practice with sentence reading. So today we do the writing practice of those sentences. Okay, we do the written practice of our sentence writing. So come on page number 1111 from your book. So what we will do today? Today we will write sentence. Yesterday we read the sentence. Today we will write the sentence. Okay, all right. Okay, if you want to cross check it, so you have to come down and see this page number. So the page number is 1111 from your book. Your page number 11 will look like this. The caption is three letter words with O. So we are doing the recap revision of the O sound words. So first of all, tell me what is the phonic sound of your letter O? Ma'am, O. Very good. Can you please tell me any two words with O sound? Any three letter words? Ma'am, it's the upper top. Very good, ma'am. Do I tell you? Yes, please. Ma'am, log. Very good, ma'am. I want to tell you. Okay, tell me, please, ma'am. Upper hop. Very nice. Well done. Ma'am, I have a new word. Okay, tell me what's the new word you have? Ma'am, her otter hot. Yes, very good. You all are very smart. Well done. I'm so impressed by your performance that you are really doing great. Okay, students, before starting this worksheet, the very first thing which you have to do is you have to fill the topmost column. Okay, as you know, this is your writing part. So here on top, you have to write the date first, write today's date, also circle the day, go outside, check today weather and circle the clip art. Fine. So the caption written over here is three letter words with O. Okay, so आप वही रिवाइज कर रहे हो जो मैम ने आपको earlier introduce किया है, that is O sound words. So what is written over here? Write a sentence for each picture. So you have these pictures. First of all, you have to recognize these pictures, that what is given in this picture, and then we will write a sentence for this picture. Okay, so as you know that this is the same format. मैम आपको सबसे पहले क्या कहते हैं, that first of all you have to observe the worksheet, कि आपको वर्कशीट में क्या करना है. ठीक है, देयर इज क्लिप आर्ट गिवन टू यू, तो आपने पहले क्लिप आर्ट्स को रिकॉग्नाइज करना है एंड ट्राई टू मेक सेंटेंस. द वेरी फर्स्ट वन इज डन फॉर यू, ताकि आपको एक हिंट मिले फॉर योर हेल्प. So you have to take help from there, that how you have to make sentence. Okay, all right. Is there any doubt with you? One by one we will recognize these picture and then we will form the sentence. Okay, so students, what is given in this picture? Have you ever seen this? Yes, ma'am, this is a mop. Okay, very good. Where we use this mop? Ma'am, in our homes. Yes. Why we use it? Ma'am, to clean the floor. Very good. Yes, this is a mop. Why we use it? To clean the floor, है ना? अगर आपका floor गंदा है, so we will use this mop to clean our floor. Okay? There are lots of bacteria, viruses on floor. Okay? So that's why every day we have to clean our floor with the help of that mop. Fine. Okay, now come to the next picture. What is given in this picture, student? Ma'am, log. Very good. Yes, this is a wooden piece. What we call it? We call it as a log. Okay. Now come to the next picture, students. See this picture? This one is a box. A big box. This is a box, right? Okay. Now see. What is this? This is a dot. If I put like this, so this is also a dot. Okay, what we call it? Dot, right? Okay, the next one is, come to the next picture, students. Yes, this one. I know that you all know what is this. Ma'am, top. Very good. I know because this is your toy, na? So this is a top. Okay. Now who is standing over here? This is a, ma'am, dog. Yes, this is a dog. Who like dog? I like dog. You also like dogs? Yes, we all have to love dogs, right? Because they all are very loyal. Okay, now what we will do, we already recognize all these pictures. Now we will write sentence for these picture. Okay, first of all we will read the first one is done for us. You just have to trace it. Okay, so okay, tell me, if I am asking, अगर कोई आपसे पूछ रहा है that what is this, तो how you have to answer? You have to answer in the whole sentence. अगर आपसे कोई sentence में question put कर रहा है that what is this, so you have to give the answer in same way. How you have to say, this is a mop. Okay, how you have to give the answer, this is a mop, right? Okay, if someone is asking you what is this, तो आपने क्या बोलना है? This is a log. Give the answer in full sentence. Don't give it in one word. Okay, so students, let's start writing over here. One guideline for you all is make the formation correctly. Okay, write in between blue lines. After completing each sentence, you have to put a full stop in last. These are the three things which you have to keep in mind while writing your sentence. Okay? Because all the time I'm repeating it again and again. I want that you have to take ample amount of time to make formation correctly. अगर आप जल्दी जल्दी से फॉर्मेशन करेक्ट नहीं बनाते हो तो आप ज़्यादा टाइम स्पेंड कर रहे हो. तो इट्स बेटर कि फर्स्ट टाइम में ही आप करेक्ट फॉर्मेशन बनाओ ताकि आपको दोबारा से इरेज करके ओवरराइट करके आप अपनी नोटबुक डर्टी मत करो. ओके, तो पहले ही ध्यान से, पहले ही फुल कंसंट्रेशन के साथ यू हैव टू राइट द होल सेंटेंस. Fine. Is it clear to you all, students? I want the formation correct from you all. Chalo, let's start. So here you have to start from here. This one you have to trace by own. So we start from here. This, what is this? This is a log. So we have to write the whole sentence. Here also you have to trace this. T-H-I-S. This. Why there is a tracing for you all? ताकि आपको फॉर्मेशन 1 or 2 times जब आप प्रैक्टिस करो तो आपको फॉर्मेशन फॉर्म करनी आ जाए. ठीक है, एंड द रेस्ट ऑफ आर द ब्लैंक स्पेस, ताकि अब आपको फॉर्मेशन बनानी आ गई है. नाउ यू हैव टू राइट विद फ्री हैंड्स. ओके, दिस इज IS is, this is 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 a, what we call it, when there is single letter A, तो आप उसको अ रीड करते हो. when a comes along with any consonants, जब वो किसी और consonant के साथ आ जाता है like क a, so वो a sound देता है. but when there is a single a, so it gives you sound a. this is a log, log. So what is the spelling? L sound come from l. Log. O sound come from letter o. L o. What is the next sound? Concentrate on the last sound. L o g. G sound come from letter G. Very good. L o g. Log. This is a log. What is this? This is a log. Very nice, students. Okay. Come to the next picture. Tell me what is there in this picture, ma'am? This is a box. Very good. So this is already written. You just have to trace it. I'm starting from here. This is I S is. This is I S is. This is a. Again, this is a. What is this? This is a box. So what are the spelling of box? B. B sound come from letter B. B. O. Again there is the same sound. O. O sound come from letter O. Very good. B. O. X sound come from letter X. Box. Right? The next, you have to put a full stop. Don't forget to put a full stop in last. It's very much important. Okay, the next is, tell me what is this? Ma'am, this is a dot. Now you have to write whole sentence by own. खुद से सारा sentence आपने write down करना है. तो start writing from here. This T H I S. This this is I S is. This is a. This is a. The otter dot. This is a dot. The sound come from D. Letter D. Dot. O sound come from letter O. Here you have to write letter O. The O. T. T sound come from letter T. Dot. This is a dot. What is this? This is a dot, right? Okay, now what is this, ma'am? This is a top. What is this? This is a top. So start writing over here. This T H. Wait. T H I S. This is. This is a. This is a. Okay, now who will tell me the spelling of top? Hurry up, hurry up. Raise your hands. Who wants to tell me the spellings of top? Ma'am, I want to tell you. Okay, Anaisha, tell me what is the spelling? Ma'am, T, very good. T, O, very nice. T, O, P. P sound come from P. Very good. T, O, P. Top. Very nice, Anaisha. Clapping for Anaisha, everyone. Very good. Okay, so put a full stop in last. Now, come on the next sentence. Okay, who will tell me what is this? Ma'am, dog. Very good, Sanvi. Yes, this is a dog. Okay, now you will write the whole sentence. This T H. Wait. This, THIS. This is students, my pencil is not flexible. I am facing a little bit issue with that, but you please try to make formation correctly. Okay, this is a, what is this? This is a dog. Very good. Okay, now who will tell me the spelling of dog? Sukaran want to tell me? Yes, ma'am. Okay, tell me what is the spelling of dog, Sukaran? Ma'am, g, dog. Very good. Tell me the very first sound come from which letter? D sound come from? Ma'am, D. Very good. D O. Very good, Sukaran. D O, G. Okay, G sound come from G. Very good. Dog. Very nice. Put a full stop in last. Okay, so that's done now. I'm giving you some time to complete this worksheet. Then we will move ahead towards our next subject, which is creative. Right? Hurry up, complete this worksheet. I'm watching you all. Make the formation correctly, students. Put full stop in last. Yes, you are making formation correctly. Very good. Well done, students. Don't do overwriting. Overwriting नहीं करनी है आपको, ठीक है? Take ample amount of time to complete this worksheet. ध्यान से करोगे तो आपकी गलती नहीं होगी. You don't have to erase again and again. Okay, students, I hope so that you have done your worksheet. Okay, fine. Now we are moving ahead towards your next subject, which is creative. So we forget to do coloring in our art sheet when we made apple with the help of number 5. Okay, so today you all have to bring out your crayons. Now we will do coloring in our art sheet. Okay, so hurry up. I am waiting for you all. Till then, you have to bring out crayons. Then we will just start. So first of all, you have to take out your crayons. Okay, I'm taking the red color. You all have to take red color. What is the color of your apple? Red color. Yes, so here you have to do coloring in your apple. Okay, and you have to do it in same direction. Just the way your ma'am is doing, you all have to do it in the same way. Okay, don't do coloring in different direction because it will not look nice. Okay, students, this is a repeated guideline for you all, which I'm going to suggest you all the time, that do the coloring in same direction, because this is the basic step which you have to follow when you are doing coloring. Now it's completed. It looks so nice. So this is your apple. Okay. So this is the leaf. So which color you will take for your leaf? Green color? Okay. So okay. Let's do the green color in the leaf part. Right. So I'm taking the green color over here. This one is the light green. You can pick any of the color of green, right? Either you can take the dark green, you can take the light green. It's as per your choice. Okay, so this one is also the apple. I will do color in this apple as well, right? So I'm doing the red color first. You don't have to left any white portion. Okay, आपने कोई भी white portion left नहीं करना है. You have to do color in between the image. Don't take color out of the image. ठीक है, out of box जाके आपको coloring नहीं करनी है because it's not look nice. अगर आपकी image से color बाहर आ रहा है so it will not look nice. Okay students, so try to make your art sheet good. अगर आप किसी भी चीज़ में टाइम इन्वेस्ट करते हो ना, सो वो हमेशा ब्यूटीफुल लगती है. सो इन्वेस्ट योर टाइम एंड उसको ध्यान से करो. ठीक है, अब ये देखो, सी इट विल कम आउट, सो इट्स नॉट लुक नाइस. ओके, सो आई एम टेकिंग माई इरेजर and erase it because it will not look nice at all. Now it's done. Okay, so I'm taking which color? Now I'm taking the dark green color. Okay, dark green color I'll take and do it in the leaves. Okay, we left with the stem part as well, so you can do brown color in your stem. Okay, first of all I'll done over here, then I will do. So I'm taking the brown color and do it over here and here also. So see, our art sheet is ready and it's looked so beautiful. You also have to do in the same way. Take ample amount of time to complete your art sheet. Do coloring in same direction. Fine. That's it for today. We will meet in our next session. Okay, students. Till then, revise your concept and stay at your home. Have a good day. Bye bye.